The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. This easy shrimp dish has a touch of sweetness typical of many Vietnamese dishes, as well as the fragrance of lemongrass, rice wine, and fish sauce. Stir-fried over high heat for the best flavor and texture, it comes together in minutes once the marinating is done. The dish balances salty, sweet, sour, and hot, the hallmark of Vietnamese cooking, and is served hot with steamed rice. Main ingredients: fresh medium shrimp, peeled and deveined, 1½ pounds, oil, 2 tablespoons, minced garlic, 2 teaspoons, salt, 1/4 teaspoon, coriander leaves, sprigs to garnish as needed, marinade, fish sauce, 2 teaspoons, rice wine, sherry or sake, 2 teaspoons, sugar, 2 teaspoons, finger-length red chili, deseeded and minced or ground to a paste in a mortar, 1 freshly ground black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon, lemongrass, thick bottom part only, outer layers discarded, inner part thinly sliced, 1 stalk, minced garlic, 1 teaspoon. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. Step 1. Prepare the lemongrass. Take 1 stalk of lemongrass and remove the tough outer layers. Use only the thick bottom part of the stalk. Thinly slice the tender inner part until you have enough for the marinade. Step 2. Mince the garlic. Peel and mince fresh garlic cloves. You will need 1 teaspoon of minced garlic for the marinade and 2 teaspoons of minced garlic for cooking. Set them aside separately. Step 3. Prepare the chili. Take 1 finger-length red chili, deseed it, then mince it finely or grind it to a paste in a mortar and pestle. Adjust the amount depending on your preferred spice level. Step 4. Mix the marinade. In a large bowl, combine the fish sauce, rice wine, sugar, minced red chili, freshly ground black pepper, thinly sliced lemongrass, and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Mix everything together well until the sugar dissolves and the flavors are evenly distributed. Step 5. Marinate the shrimp. Place the 1½ pounds of peeled and deveined medium shrimp into the marinade. Mix until the shrimp are well coated on all sides. Cover and allow to marinate for at least 30 minutes so the flavors penetrate the shrimp. Cooking steps. Step 1. Heat the oil. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a wok over high heat until the oil is shimmering and just beginning to smoke. The high heat is essential for achieving the best flavor and texture. Step 2. Stir-fry the garlic. Add 2 teaspoons of minced garlic to the hot wok and stir-fry until fragrant and golden brown, about 30 seconds. Keep the garlic moving to prevent burning. Step 3. Add shrimp with marinade. Add the marinated shrimp along with all the marinade into the wok. Stir-fry vigorously until the shrimp turn pink and are just cooked through 2 to 3 minutes. The lemongrass and chili flakes will cling to the shrimp, creating a fragrant, glossy coating. Step 4. Season with salt. Season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, mix well to distribute evenly, and remove the wok from the heat immediately to avoid overcooking the shrimp. Step 5. Garnish and serve. Transfer the shrimp to a serving platter. Garnish with sprigs of fresh coriander leaves. Serve hot with steamed rice.